guess what it is? 100 Pro pack opening today. So let's try out one pack and see if it's good or not. Lower from there you go. Joakim Noah. That's right. Okay. So we're just gonna keep on going till we reach like 34K again. Yeah. Tristan Thompson. Trash ball. Ooh. Alright, I guess you guys want to see me open this. Bronze gold, come on. Nah, that's trash. Alright, and another pro pack. Come on, elite. Another Tristan Thompson, really? It's trash. I don't know why Cavs paid him 80 mil. Oh, Trevor Ariza. That card sells for a lot. Another pack. Jahlil Okafor. That's nice. Alright. So we have a couple more packs. Joe Johnson. Not that bad. Alright, Jared Dudley offseason movie. Okay. How about that? Alright, I have a couple more packs left, and then where's the elites, man? Ooh, I got Carmelo Anthony. There you go. That's a good pull. That's a good pull. Alright, come on. Alright, Impact Diamonds. I have a little more packs left. JJ, ooh. Alright, nah, that sucky pull, kinda. That's a lag, okay. Oh, Dwight Howard, he should sell for a bit. And, another one. Oh, Damian Lillard! Yes, go! The last pack. I'm gonna keep on going. We reach here. One elite pull, let's go. Trash right there. Oh, come on. Right, this is our last pack. Come on, money. Andre Iguodala. Alright guys, so this is our pack opening. Today. Let me show you the cards I got. Oh my gosh. Damian Lillard. Oh my gosh, Damian Lillard. Alright, 76, 3 and 69 shooting, yeah. And this Trevor Ariza, he should sell for a bit. Pretty good. And the Carmelo Anthony, this pack opening wasn't terrible. I got a lot of gold. Yeah. Oh, this is such a great opening. I got 2 Okafor though, but alright, so what? Subscribe and stuff, and like and comment if you want more NBA Live mobile content and other games. So if you guys want me to play another game or buy a player in NBA Live Mobile or do another pack opening, then leave a like and leave a comment and subscribe. And peace.